Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We ride wild, never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
Hi lovelies, how are you all doing? Biko kekunome. Hope you all are doing great. So I'm back again with another new vlog. Oh yes, so today I'm gonna take you guys along. So this video is all about my journey as a mom of 3 children, married, living in Germany. But before I forget, guys, please don't mind my voice. The voice like a chop kernel, otaraki. I have some cold, like I don't know who got it in the family and the thing went round like hot cake. Yes, they share it round. So, but I'm fine. That cannot stop me. Okay guys, back to my vlog. So it's Saturday morning and we just finished breakfast. Right now I'm making lunch. This is my daughter's special food, so I decided to prepare it for them before we go out for the shopping. Yeah, to stock the house because we are lacking a lot of things in the house. So we usually go to shopping during weekends, yes, especially Saturdays. Okay, after long sleeping, then we'll go out with the children to do some shopping after our lunch. Then when I come back, we'll now start cooking. So right now we are on our way heading to Aldi. We first of all went to Aldi. Yeah, we went to like 3 shops, and this vlog I tried to make sure that it's not long, so I didn't film almost everything, but yeah, so that is it. And after we finish from Aldi, we'll go to Lidl to buy some water. We normally buy our water from Lidl. So right now we are heading to Lidl. We just finished from Aldi. Like guys, I didn't want the video to be too long, okay guys, so keep watching. But before I forget, if you are new to my channel, hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's be friends. You know what to do. Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in. So right now guys, we are in Lidl with my beautiful children, trying to shop what we need for the house. In fact, it's a busy day. Like my weekend is always pretty full. I don't know if I'm the only one in this journey. Most people in diaspora, like, I don't know how they cope. Life here is just so hectic, stressful. I don't even know the right word to describe it. Honestly. But if you ask me, life here is hectic. Okay, my lovelies, keep watching. So guys, at this moment we are are done with the shopping and we are heading home. So right now I'm gonna be arranging all the items we got from the shop. As you can see, we bought some ice because it's very hot right now. The weather is not friendly at all. He's not smiling. Okay, I bought ice for the kids, marmalade. I bought some veggies like paprikas and tomatoes. I bought pineapples, granuts, hot dogs, bread. In fact, we got a lot of things. Yeah, sweet corn. This is some potatoes. Okay, guys. And the next one, granuts, sweet corn. I know those of you that don't have children will not relate. Yeah. So here is my all-purpose flour, which we got. So, and some veggies more. Guys, you know, here in Europe, especially we that live in diaspora, if you are short of anything in the house and you have children, it's not easy. So we usually stock the house so that we don't lack anything. Before it finishes, we got another one. This one is for Oga on top. And some olive oil for cooking, bananas, spring onions, meat for grilling, breads. We used to stock our freezer with breads. Like we eat breads like German. Germans don't joke with breads. So yeah, this one is for washing, and some yogurts, some strawberry, cucumber, and apples. In fact, I can't count them. Like this is real shopping. Yeah, some margarine, butter, whichever one you call it, some biscuits, and this is sugar, my sugar and baking powders, mushrooms, ginger and garlic, mangoes. Like we carried the shop to the house. Yes, we did. So avocados, yeah, and this one is peppers, bread, vegetable oil. Like seriously guys, it was not easy to film this video. It got to a stage I was even tired of filming. Like I was so tired. In fact, at the end my husband have to make dinner for all of us because everybody is tired. The battery is no longer there. The energy is vec like Germans. The battery is gone. Like guys, I'm looking for who will adopt me. I will just disappear in my house for 1 week, like to go and cool off my head. This is watermelon we got. My children usually love to eat watermelon, and this is fresh eggs with chatter. In fact, we carry the shop. I need someone to come and adopt me. The stress in this country is not giving at all. It's not, especially when you have no family member around you. You are on your own. So right now guys, I will go ahead and arrange all of them one after the other. And after that, I will just go and relax and wait for my dinner. So keep watching guys, and if you watch this video to this extent, thank you guys so much. I heart you guys. If you are still watching, do not forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Tell me what you think. Will you love to see more of my vlogs, or will you love to see my cooking videos? Let's gist at the comment section down below. Tell me what kind of content you would love to see in my next upcoming video. I would like to hear your review. Okay, my lovelies, you don't finish. So keep watching and see you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now, just enjoy the rest of the video.
Mama, what's up? My comfort zone. A place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight. Motivation talks to feel so light. Tutorials served with heart so full. Life made better step by step rule. Laughter's found on every face. Welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset. All your worries you can't forget. It's more than videos, more than views. It's a family vibe we always choose. So grab your tea, come stay a while. We'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset. All your worries you can't forget. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's